Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Starting off today's video down here on Avenida Mediterraneo. Back of the Hotel Sol Casablanca, the inside. Now it is called. It has changed hands, part of the media group now. I am going to flip you back round and hopefully take a walk down towards the triangular, the Plaza de Triangular, see how busy it is. There we are, back round. So, yeah, weather-wise today it is a bit chilly, but it's still sunny as well when you do get in that sun. However, I think it could rain again tonight. Fingers crossed it doesn't, but yeah, it is kind of looking like it could rain again maybe tonight or some point later in the afternoon. Got the new speed cameras in down along the Mediterranean Avenue as well. I think the speed you're meant to do down here is about 10 kilometres an hour. There were quite a nut war about these new speed cameras going in actually as well. However, I don't think it really succeeded till we coached there. Still bringing people in. Super cholo there as well. If any of you watch the last time the Sidemen came to Benidorm, this is the shop where they got some of their outfits. The world famous bright yellow TikTok shirt that I believe KSI wore were bought in this shop. And well, that's going back a few months ago as well. Just trying to see if I can spot the temperature. Isn't going to say it, is it? Come on, please tell us the temperature. Come on. Yeah, I know you can do all your fancy flashing and graphics and all that. Well, I think I'll carry on and need my mic to have a look. I don't think 12, 25, 18 degrees. So, not too hot, not too cold, just about right. And I don't say a lot better than what the UK's going to be getting. Yeah, I've seen it, 18 degrees. So yeah, fingers crossed over the next couple of weeks we will be seeing hotter. Hopefully upwards of 30 degrees or more, guys. Got the big advertisement board over there. There we are. Advertisement for RH hotels on it at the moment. Owner of the RH Princessa, RH Prince Park and RH Victoria. some very nice hotels here in Benidorm, guys. And just to my right is, of course, Consume, one of many supermarkets we would recommend if you are holidaying here in Benidorm, or you are trying to live here and you're looking for cheap food, cheap sort of stuff. I think my advice is just try multiple different supermarkets. So that is kind of what we do. You will eventually find that one place for some stuff, another place for other stuff. I think at the moment we shop between about 3 different supermarkets. So you can kind of get a gist of how hard it is there. Quickly show you Dondino there. Dondino toy shop. One of many toy shops here in Benidorm. The 2 main ones are, of course, Dondino's. The second main one is Toy Planet. However, I think, my personal opinion, they are a lot more expensive than toy shops back in the UK. But then I guess it comes down to what sort of toy you're actually after. Gonna carry on down to Meg now. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna try to get off the side road there and just get you a glimpse down the fantasy front. I think I'm gonna change the video up and cut off onto seafront. Is that okay? Yeah. Yeah, I'll show you seafront. So, of course, you've got the cannabis shop. The next big innovation here in Benidorm. They are literally popping up everywhere. Which, I mean, I suppose is good if you're into that sort of stuff. Nose is itching. Post office type place over the road as well. Also, the place that does the PO boxes as well, if you are wanting to do YouTube and wanting to own a PO box in Benidorm. Another nice little restaurant. Have a nose in. That looks quite nice, actually. Urban Beach Gastro Bar. Open from 1 till 1. Close on Wednesday, kitchen non-stop. Drinks, cocktails, DJ and snacks. Sounds quite nice, that. And here's a menu as well, which I'm not really going to get all in, but still, probably do nice food. Anyway guys, I have been forgetting on these videos I've done today to mention the 2 things I have got. I have, of course, got the Buy Me a Coffee link if you are wanting to support the channel. And I do, of course, have the brand new book out. Whether you're a newcomer to Benidorm or you've been loads of times but still want to discover new areas and new places, Sun, Sand and Fiesta, the ultimate Benidorm handbook, is a great buy for any Benidorm lover. It will help you enjoy your holiday to the fullest here in Benidorm, with tips of where to go, what to do and what to avoid. And we are finally coming up towards the Levante seafront, and I may have made a mistake because it is still quite windy down here. I guess that could be a test, guys. Could be a test for me. You might see whether the wind gets picked up on it. Oh man. Okay, I did not notice that had come out. Oh man. I feel like a proper news reader guy.
Shit off, just
Okay.
fix it off, I think.
Hello. Okay, I'll reconnect us, guys. Hopefully this will work. I'm back on. I've done it. I think we're back. I'll have to maybe check what happens. Oh God, this is awkward. Okay, are we done? We fixed? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I guess this could be a test for the mic. There may probably be a bit where it does sort of go off and the sound might go a bit quieter. That is simply because I dropped the sort of windbreaker. But as you can see, the beautiful Levante beach, and even though it's quite cold, it still seems pretty busy. God. Anyway guys, hit that like, hit subscribe. Make sure to tick the notification bell so you can stay up to date with any brand new content on the Benidorm Crazy Marcus channel. And I will see you all next time on another Benidorm adventure. Much love.